While the exact number is up for debate, research points to humans having a natural lifespan of anywhere between 35 and 45 years, with 38 years being the estimate most commonly given. Regardless of what this number is in actuality, that range is nowhere near the current global life expectancy of 73 years. So what changed? The simple answer is medicine, and the simpler answer is vaccines. Referring back to the earlier graph, you probably noticed that the uptick in life expectancy started between 1900 and 1950. While other global factors did contribute to the uptick, it is no coincidence that a lot of vaccines were produced in this time period. But how do vaccines aid in the fight against disease? Antigens are molecules present on all bacteria and viruses. These molecules are what tell your body that the virus is entering your system, and antibiotics begin to be produced to fight the virus. A vaccine contains a safe dosage of antigens from these viruses, not the virus in its entirety. Introducing these antigens allows your body to learn and effectively destroy the cells of the virus. A vaccine is a teacher in some ways, and the antigens are study materials, preparing your immune system for the real deal, the actual virus. Now, hopefully you won't get influenza or pneumonia or any of the other diseases that you should be vaccinated for, but having your body trained to provide an accurate response if you do contract them is the best insurance you can have. Let's talk about herd immunity. Herd immunity is when an overwhelming percentage of a population has been vaccinated for a disease, so that bacteria or virus does not have enough hosts and it dies out. This is called becoming eradicated, which happened to smallpox in 1980 due to enough people becoming vaccinated for it. Eventually, we as a global population can become virtually immune to many harmful viruses. The trick is that everyone must participate. In 1988, polio was almost wiped off the face of the earth. Vaccines had decreased active cases by 99% and was very close to becoming eradicated. Unfortunately, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Nigeria did not participate in the global effort to end polio, and the disease was able to maintain a foothold in those countries. This is why the World Health Organization listed vaccine hesitancy as one of the top 10 threats to public health last year. Along with drought, war, and AIDS, those refusing to vaccinate themselves or their children were classified as a global threat. Do vaccines cause autism? No. This was a hoax perpetrated by the discredited Dr. Andrew Wakefield. You can read more about this through the link in the description. If we work together as a global community and take the pledge to vaccinate, we could see the end of many terrible diseases, including the one we all face currently, COVID-19. For the many of you who are unsure of the future, development of a vaccine is the best thing that you can hope for, as it can mean the end of the coronavirus's reign of terror, just as long as everyone participates.